Hello everyone, my name is Lady Cruz and today I'm going to explain the activities that I choose for my topic that was parts of the body. Yes, so this topic is for the 6th grade. Yes, you can find this topic in the Moral 2. It is about health and physical routine. So the tools that I am going to use for my activities are the following. The first one is Nearpod. The second one is Learning Apps, and the last one is EducaPlay. In Nearpod, the idea is that the students participate in the activity called Time to Climb. They will find uh, some images, and the idea is that they choose the correct word of the according to the image, right? The images are about the parts of the body, of course. The second, the second tool that I am going to use is learning apps. What is the idea of this tool? The idea is that the students have some questions in order to solve a crossword. They, in the crossword, they will find some images in order to identify better the vocabulary, and they will find some questions in order to identify what is the specific part of the body. Yes, if I have the opportunity to work or to teach with a big group of students, I could divide the group in two, and the idea that they ask among them in order to write the words. Yes, the idea is that one group asks the question and the other one has to answer what is the specific part of the body. That's my idea. And the last one is Educa Play. In the last one, the activity is based on word roulette, where students will find the words, um, the specific vocabulary of the part of the body, and when they show or when they see the word, they have to point the part of the body in their body. Yes, they have to show to the teacher where is the specific part of the body that the roulette show them. So this is the way that I am going to create the roulette, and that's it. Thank you so much.